Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English practice session today. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to see you here ready to learn. Learning English is a journey, and every step you take is very important. Today, we are focusing on something we all need to know how to do. We are talking about going to the doctor and visiting the pharmacy. It can be scary to feel sick in a different country when you do not know the right words. I want to help you feel confident and strong. Sara and I will show you exactly how to describe your pain and how to ask for the right medicine. We will speak very slowly and very clearly so you can understand every single word. Please listen carefully to our voices and the way we use the names Mr. Only and Sara. You can practice by repeating after us. This lesson is designed to make your daily life easier. Let us start this lesson with a positive mind and a focus on learning. You are doing a great job already.
Hello, I am Sara, and I am so glad to be your partner for this lesson. Today, we are at a medical clinic and a pharmacy. These are very important places. We will use simple words that you hear every day. Mr. Only will be the person who feels a little bit sick today, and I will be the doctor and the person working at the pharmacy. We will show you how to talk about a headache or a stomachache. We will talk about how many times a day you need to take your pills. We will use simple sentences so you do not get confused. Mr. Only and I want you to feel comfortable when you speak. Remember that it is okay to ask questions if you do not understand the doctor. I will explain the difficult parts later in the lesson. For now, just listen to the flow of the conversation. Let us begin our main practice.
Good morning, Sara. I am here because I do not feel very well today.
Good morning, Mr. Only. I am sorry to hear that you are not feeling well. Please sit down and tell me what is wrong.
Thank you, Sara. My head hurts a lot, and I feel very tired. I have had this pain since yesterday morning.
I see, Mr. Only. Does your head hurt in the front or in the back?
It hurts mostly in the front, Sara. It feels like a heavy pressure behind my eyes.
Do you have a fever, Mr. Only? Have you checked your temperature?
Yes, Sara. I checked my temperature before I came here. It was 38 degrees. I think that is a small fever.
You are right, Mr. Only. That is a mild fever. Do you have any other symptoms? Does your throat feel sore?
Yes, Sara. My throat is a little bit sore when I swallow food or water. Also, I have a small cough.
Let me check your throat, Mr. Only. Please open your mouth wide and say ah.
Ah. Is it very red in there, Sara?
It is a little bit red, Mr. Only. It looks like you have a common cold, or maybe a small infection. Have you been sneezing a lot, too?
Yes, Sara. I have been sneezing quite a bit. My nose is also very runny. I have to use many tissues.
I understand, Mr. Only. It sounds like a bad cold. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, Sara. I am not allergic to any medicine that I know of. I usually take aspirin for pain.
That is good to know, Mr. Only. I am going to write a prescription for some medicine to help with your fever and your cough.
Thank you, Sara. What kind of medicine is it?
It is a medicine called paracetamol for the fever and a liquid syrup for the cough, Mr. Only.
How often should I take the medicine, Sara?
You should take 1 pill every 8 hours, Mr. Only. Do not take more than 3 pills in one day.
1 pill every 8 hours. I understand, Sara. And what about the cough syrup?
Take 2 teaspoons of the syrup before you go to sleep, Mr. Only. It will help you rest better.
2 spoons at night. Got it, Sarah. Should I take the pills with food?
Yes, Mr. Only. It is better to take the pills after you eat a meal. It is easier for your stomach.
Okay, Sarah. I will eat breakfast and then take my first pill. Do I need to stay home from work?
Yes, Mr. Only. I think you should rest at home for 2 days. Drink a lot of water and orange juice.
I will do that, Sarah. Thank you for your help. Now I need to go to the pharmacy to get the medicine.
You are welcome, Mr. Only. The pharmacy is just down the street. See you later.
Hello, Sarah. I am here to pick up my prescription.
Hello again, Mr. Only. Let me see the paper from the doctor. Okay, I have the paracetamol and the cough syrup right here.
Thank you, Sarah. Can you explain the instructions one more time, please? I want to be sure.
Of course, Mr. Only. Take this pill 3 times a day. That is, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once at night.
3 times a day with food. Is that correct, Sarah?
That is exactly right, Mr. Only. And here is your cough syrup. Take 2 spoons only at night.
2 spoons at night. Thank you, Sarah. Is there anything I should avoid while taking this?
Try not to drink coffee, Mr. Only. It might make your headache worse. Try to sleep as much as possible.
I will avoid coffee, Sarah. How much does the medicine cost?
The total is $15, Mr. Only.
Here is $20, Sarah.
And here is $5 in change, Mr. Only. I hope you feel much better very soon.
Thank you, Sarah. You are very kind. I am going home to rest now.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. Take care of yourself. Now I will explain some of the phrases we used. When Mr. Only said he has a runny nose, it means liquid is coming out of his nose because he is sick. When I asked if he has a sore throat, I wanted to know if his neck hurts inside. Let us try another small conversation. Imagine Mr. Only has a stomach ache.
Miss Sarah, my stomach hurts very badly. I think I ate something bad.
I am sorry, Mr. Only. Do you feel like you want to vomit?
Yes, Miss Sarah, I feel very sick to my stomach. I have felt this way for 3 hours.
Did you eat anything unusual today, Mr. Only?
I ate some fish at a new restaurant, Miss Sarah. Maybe the fish was not fresh.
That is possible, Mr. Only. I will give you some medicine for your stomach. You must drink plenty of water so you do not get dehydrated.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. How many times a day should I take this stomach medicine?
Take 1 tablet after every meal, Mr. Only. If the pain does not stop in 24 hours, come back to see me.
I understand, Miss Sarah. 1 tablet after I eat. Thank you.
Let us try one more situation. This time, Mr. Only is asking for vitamins at the pharmacy.
Miss Sarah, do you have any vitamins for energy? I've been feeling very tired lately.
Yes, Mr. Only. We have vitamin C and vitamin B complex. These are very good for energy.
Which one do you recommend, Miss Sarah?
I recommend the multivitamin, Mr. Only. It has everything you need in 1 pill.
How much is the multivitamin, Miss Sarah?
It is $10 for a bottle of 30 pills, Mr. Only.
I will take 1 bottle, please, Miss Sarah. Do I take it once a day?
Yes, Mr. Only. Take 1 pill every morning with your breakfast.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. I hope this helps me feel more energetic.
I am sure it will, Mr. Only. Just remember to eat healthy food, too.
We have reached the end of our lesson today. I hope you found these conversations helpful. Remember that practicing out loud is the best way to learn. Do not be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, Mr. Only is right. Mistakes are just a part of learning. You did a wonderful job listening today. Practice these sentences when you are at home. Talk to yourself in the mirror and use our names, Mr. Only and Sara, to practice the dialogue.
It is very important to stay calm when you are at the doctor. Use the simple words we taught you today. Sara and I believe in you. You are becoming a better English speaker every single day.
Keep going and do not give up. We're here to support you in your English journey. Thank you for joining us today, Mr. Only.
Thank you, Sara, and thank you to everyone listening. We will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now and stay healthy.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a lovely day and keep practicing your English.